My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Cracking YouTube, it's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right next to me, right there. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, cool. So, actually been waiting for this. Very, very excited about getting this. Package just came in. And unlike my last review on the very cool brand shoes, I was not waiting a month plus for that shoe. I actually ordered this shoe last week, and yeah, it came out at the end of this week. So I mean, 7 days. I'm actually happy about this. So like I said, tape is still on it. Has not been opened. We already know what this is. I do have a review for this shoe once it come out. Once I pull the shoe out the box, it's gonna be above there, but whatever like that. So yeah, let's go. Told you I can use random stuff classes to open it up. Last time I used this, right? Then I use it. Let's use something else. So I want to show you how I can open up these boxes with random stuff. How about open it with an iPhone? You think I can open it with an iPhone? You think I can open it with an iPhone?
Nah.
Well, that's what I did.
That's impossible.
Alright, let's pick up. Ooh, okay. I'm so happy. So, I give you a little backstory about this once I get to it. So you see what it is. You see the black box, Nike. Put it over there. Woo! Okay, here we go. All right, size 8.5, personal pair. You know that. It reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color is gem red, black, white, photo blue. Suggested retail price was $160. This came out when Jordan Brand still had the suggested retail price on it. I did not pay $160. I wish I did. I paid. Got the Flight Club receipt right here. $160. I paid a total of $950. Almost $1,000 for this shoe. The shoe itself was $855. Shipping was $1450. Tax was $81.23, which came to a grand whopping total of $950.73. So yes, you yawning in my video? Come on, bro.
Sorry.
So I ordered this May 31st at 3:15. When was May 30th? Oh, Wednesday. I got it right. Wednesday, May 31st. So was that last week? That was last week, right? Yeah, so a little bit over a week, because Wednesday would have been a week. So 2 days. So a week and 2 days. So yeah, and I'm glad that I didn't pay for the extra shipping, because I could have got this about Monday if I really wanted to. But it was like an extra like $90 or something like that. I was like, I'll wait for it. I'm in a rush. I really wanted to get these early though, because I wanted to wear it. I was hoping they had them in the store. They had to get them shipped from somewhere else. A movie came out last week, and you know what? I'll just tell you after I get to the shit. I'm not talking about that. Size 8.5, so you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. So boom, let's get straight to it. And here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Without further ado, ooh, we got the Air Jordan 1. Oh man. Hold up. Let me close that right there. Put that right there. Put this receipt behind the box. Yes, sir. Rebob. Let's get that. So we got, without further ado, we got the Air Jordan. I don't want to see. I gotta see the laces. We got the Air Jordan 1 High. I think they call Origin Story. boom. So origin stories, Spider-Man 1s, whatever you want to call it. So this shoe came out, what's the exact, I don't know the exact date. Let me give y'all, I'll give y'all the exact date for this. Give me 1 second. And I'm gonna give y'all some information. Usually I really wasn't gonna give you information because this is not a new shoe, and I wasn't gonna do a full sneaker review. But I'll tell you one. Origin story. There we go. Original date for this was. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, everybody. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. 1 second. I'm going to StockX. I mean, not StockX. Sneakers. It's loading. It's loading. Give me a second. It's loading. It's loading. I'm about to get out of this because this is taking too long. Wow. Maybe because the shoe's so old. I just wanted to give y'all the actual release date. And I can't find. Wow. Maybe because it's that old. There go Flight Club. Stadium Good. Alright, let's try Hypebeast. Hypebeast. Okay, Hypebeast. These dropped on. Here we go. These dropped on December. No, that was when the movie came out. Yeah, December 14th. Release date December 14th, 2018 is when these dropped. So I'm not going to give y'all no real detailed description about the shoe because one, it's an old shoe. Two, I do have a review. I think I have a review for this already because I had this shoe before. Like I said, I wanted to give y'all a little small story. I had the shoe before. It's one of the first shoes that I got when I got back into the little sneaker thing. And after having it for maybe a couple months, I wasn't really feeling these little dots going around. It was supposed to be like little webs, well, like that. I wasn't really feeling it. So I got rid of it for such a low price, which now looking back at it, says a $900 shoe. It's like, ugh, I think I only got rid of it for maybe $300 or maybe 4 tops or something like that. So if I do have a review for this, it will be above right now. It'll be right there if I do have the original review for that. But yeah, man, I got it back because Into the Spider-Verse is one of my Miles Morales, the Spider-Man movie, is one of my favorite sneaker shoes. And I mean, that's not sneaker shoes, movies. I don't know why I keep on saying that. I'm messing up. I'm just so excited about having the shoe. Into the Spider-Verse 2, or that's what it's called, right? Yeah, the new one, right? What's it called?
No, it's a Spider-Man Across
the Spider-Verse. What, is that the first one or the second one?
Second.
Okay, Across the Spider-Verse. The second movie just dropped last week. Went to go see it. I already saw it 2 times already.
Right.
Loved it. Classic has not seen it yet. I might want to go. Do you want to go see it?
Yes.
I might take you. I want to go see it again. That's how good it is. I'm down to go see it. I might just take you. I might take you tomorrow. I don't know. We figure it out. I might just take you tomorrow. Such a good movie. Hope y'all go check it out. But like I said, this is the first version of the Miles Morales movie. It's already a little bit yellow and coming. It's still icy bottom like that.
Ooh, I like it.
Yeah, I know you like the icy bottom. Still icy bottom. I like that. Oh, this leather was so good. Everything. Just a little teeny bit of yellowing right there, as you can see. Or it might just be me looking at it. That translucent icy bottom though. It looks a little bit yellow enough. Or is it just me?
It's just,
on the edges?
No.
Still blue? Still blue? Okay.
Kinda.
All right, still good. But this is the first iteration of it. And this is the second iteration of it.
Yes.
These are the... So what was the first movie called? Into the Spider-Verse. Yeah, Into the Spider-Verse. The second one is called Across the Spider-Verse. Or something like that. If we're wrong, correct us in the comments below. But these are the second iteration of it. These are the we're just gonna call them Miles Morales 2s. But these are the second ones that came out for the movie that just came out last week. Y'all let me know in the comments below which one y'all think y'all like better. I actually like these better. But I mean, I'm not against neither one of them. This is more of a brighter red. I do have a review for this up. Also, go check this out. It'll be right there. I know for a fact I got this up because this just came out. So go check this out. Both movies was good. Did you see the first movie?
Yeah.
You liked it?
Uh-huh.
I liked it. I liked it. So
I watched it 3 times or something.
I can't remember the grade. Did you do this review for me, or was somebody else holding the review for you?
I think someone else did it.
It was either Jessica or your mother. Michelle, you didn't do this review, did you? Who did the review for this one?
Mommy can't do cam videos. She sucks at it.
Oh, well, wow, that's crazy. Anyway, but hold on, time out. Real quick, pause. Not positive, but you know what I mean. But I want to know who did the review because I want to know what the grades we gave it. Because I don't want to switch up the grades, so I'm gonna go to the. Let me see. Let me go to my videos. Because I actually want to know the grades before I ask you what your grade is. Classic. Stay tuned TV. Spider-Man. Let's just put Spider-Man. That's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. Pause. But okay, here are my videos. I don't know. How long ago did this shoe come out? The second one, I can find it. Let me see. Into the Spider-Verse. Or maybe I didn't do a review for it. I thought I did. I can't even remember like when this shoe came out. Maybe I didn't do a review for it. I thought I did. Wow, did I not? That's the Laney's. Wow, I guess I need to do a little small review right now. I apologize if I said that the review is up there right now because it is clearly not. Because I did not do a review for this. Probably because I bought it resale. And I'm looking through my videos and no. Because it wouldn't be 3 months ago. Yeah, I guess I did. Okay. Alright, I guess I did it. So quick review on this one since I didn't do it. As you see the difference, this is more of a darker red on this one. This is more that brightest red and it goes through different type of like textures, as you can see that right there. I do like the Chicago red up front around the toe cap. I do like that. That is a nice red right there. This toe cap right there. I actually like that better than this toe cap right there. I'm not really a fan of the Nike swoosh like that. I'm not really a fan of the Nike swoosh like that. But yeah, did these come with actual laces? I can't remember if the second pair came with actual laces. They did not. They did not. I don't know why they didn't, but no, they did not. I don't got nothing in the box. Unless the person I bought them from, he just didn't give me the laces. So I mean, I don't know, but they did not come with no extra laces, which is weird. But anyway, these came with some red laces. Is there any blue ones in here? No more laces. What's this? Oh, this is the little Flight Club tag and everything like that. I thought it was supposed to be attached. It says do not remove tag. This product has been Flight Club approved. Any claims made after its removal will not be honored. Oh wow, okay. Well, I mean, good thing I'm not gonna return this, but Flight Club, if y'all see this, I did not remove y'all tag. It came removed. So yeah. So but anyway, yeah, man. I mean, I'm not gonna really go too, like I said, not too deep into it. I'm not gonna make this a super long video. Where we at right now?
8 minutes.
8 minutes? Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, 10 minutes is gonna be max. I like that. But these are the difference. Again, I said this about 4 times already. Not gonna make this a super long review. Just want y'all to see this. It just came in the mail. If I do have a review for this, like I said, it will be above somewhere throughout this video. If I don't, then it is what it is. But I thought I did a review for this. Because it's gonna bug me. It's gonna bug me. Hold on. I know what to do. Check my Instagram. Because I post everything on my Instagram. If it's not on my Instagram, then I didn't do it. Let me see. TKiccs. Now make sure y'all go follow my Instagram, TKiccs. This is the shoe right here that I posted on my Instagram. Now, I did not do a review. Because, so if y'all can see right there, you see it has 3 pictures. So, 1, 2, 3. If I do reviews for shoes, when I post them, I have 4 pictures. So, for instance, this is the Tiana Taylor Air Jordan 1s I did. So, 1, 2, we'll rotate. 3, the box. And the last one is an actual screenshot of the review. So I guess I didn't do a review for that. I guess because I bought it so late. It was out for a while. So anyway, it is what it is. Y'all let me know in the comments below which one y'all like better. I'm going to have to lean towards the first ones. And I'm mad that I got rid of these when I had them. But I'm glad I got it back. Classic, what you think? Which one you like better?
Oh.
First of all, hold up. First of all, give me your grades. So let's go to 1. 1 to 10, what are you giving it?
7.5.
7.5. Not low. Not that low, but what you don't like about it.
Red.
Then I'm curious where this is going at. If you don't like the shoe because of red, I'm curious where this is going to go at. What's your grade for this?
6.5.
Okay. And you like because of the red?
No, I just like the bottom of it a lot.
Of what? You like the red bottom of this too?
I like it a lot.
Okay, that kind of don't make any sense because it's red.
I like the tongue though.
You like the what?
The tongue.
The tongue?
Yes.
Okay. Classics all over the place with these grades. Michelle, what you doing? 1 to 10? Oh, no, so you like this one better? I'm guessing from your grade, right? Because this was 7.5. This was a 6. You said?
Yeah.
Okay, so you like the first one better?
Yeah.
Okay, Michelle, what you doing? Which one you like better?
I-
What's your grades first? That's Chewy.
Should I look at? Should I bring
No, you good.
That one, I picked a 7.
A 7.
And that one, an 8.
Ooh,
I like the
an 8.5.
I like the pink.
Of course, the pink is always.
Well,
the
it's not
pink.
really pink, but I get what you mean. It's like a lighter red.
It's more colorful. It stands out a whole lot more to where the other one, it just looks too plain for me.
Yeah. Okay.
Even though like in the heel, I can see the end on top of the shoe or the toe. It's like the polka dot thing, but you can't really see it unless you're like looking down. But if you're at a far distance,
No, you can't. You can't. I get what you mean. Yeah.
That's when you're looking at far distance. It looks like just a regular
Chicago 1. Yeah,
Yeah.
regular Chicago 1.
It just looked like a regular ones. But when you get close, of course you see the polka dot. But if I wanted to pick something more colorful, I'll pick the other ones.
Okay,
And
chill.
on top of that, it is for the price.
Yeah, I don't know. I like this.
Chill out.
No. It's a detailed answer.
For me personally, with prices, for the price for that one, you paying that much for that, I would have paid for that.
You would have paid $900 for
It's
this?
more colorful. That's too plain for me. Why would I want to pay $900?
Well, you know why it's $900. It's just the resale value.
Yeah.
It came out. They was both the same price when they
Yeah, I
came
know,
out.
but the thing is like, it's too plain.
There's no way in hell I paid $900 for this. There's no way in hell. I mean,
You paid $900 for that.
Yeah, because again, it was the resale value of it. The price. I mean, over time, like any shoe that. Hold up, 1 second. You don't gotta press pause, but it's Chewy is playing with. Give me that. My dog is playing with his bone. That's what that loud noise was. He was just killing me. That was so loud. But okay, well, Michelle gave this an 8.5, and you gave this a what? A 7. And Classic gave this a 6.5.
7.
Oh, 7.5, and this is 6. Okay, so I guess it comes down to me. I'm gonna give this an 8. I like this. I like the. I'm not gonna call it polka dots like Michelle did, but they like little web shooters. I like that. I like this. I like this shoe though. I give this a 7.5. Y'all know me. I love colors and I love how colorful things are, but this is a lot. I ain't gonna lie. Just around the ankle strap, that's a lot going on right there for me, and that's saying a lot for me. So, but I mean, they both dope shoes. I like them both. You know what? Take away both my grades. I'm gonna give them both an 8. Whatever, just because the movie's good. So, y'all let me in the comments below if y'all like which one y'all like the most. Which one y'all think is the better. What y'all grades for? Give me all that in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.